Hello again and welcome to this fifth video in this series for the Boeing 737 normal procedures. And this video will be going over the Captain pre-flight procedure. So after finishing the walk around, the captain will start this procedure by first doing the light test. So here the light test switch, we'll select to test. And use the standard scan flow to check all the lights. So start with the aft overhead panel left to right. And then the overhead panel, top to down. Then moving down. After checking all the lights, select the lights master switch to either dim or bright. Reset the master caution here. Then check the EFS control panel. As mentioned in the FO pre-flight video, this is about discretion mainly. The only item I need to remind you of is to verify that the weather radar is off in both sides. And I find it a good range to have the 40 miles range set for takeoff. And next move to the mode control panel. And verify or set the runway course for the departure runway. And then the flight director switches on. This is a deviation since the captain will select both flight directors on for the pilot flying first. So let's assume the FO is gonna fly this leg. So flight director on his side on, and then on the left side on. Bank angle verifies on the bank angle selector verifies on the 25 degrees unless otherwise needed. And then verify the autopilot. Disengage bar is up. And then we'll do the oxygen test. I can simulate the whole test here, but we'll start with checking the cross on and then off, and then pressing the two together for 5 seconds. And making sure that there is no drop in the pressure in the aft overhead panel in the gauge by more than 100 psi. And then verify the switch is set to 100%. And then for the clock, select it UTC. And the nose wheel steering switch guard, verify it's closed. And the display select panel, verify that the main panel and the lower DU both selected to norm. And then verify the takeoff config and cabin altitude lights are extinguished. It's located here in our airplane, it's not shown in this video. And verify the out of trim light is extinguished. And then perform or verify the CDU pre-flight. And please refer to video 3 for the complete setup of the CDU. And then flight instruments check. General check here, looking that everything is normal and that only the following flags are shown: the TCAS off and the no V speed. And then verify the flight mode annotations are correct. Auto throttle mode is blank, roll mode is blank, and the pitch mode is blank. And the AFDS status is FD, since we have selected already the flight director switches to on. In the integrated standby flight display, verify that the approach mode display is blank. So if it is an approach mode, verify that are selected to blank. Set the altimeter for both the standby and the main altimeters. For the standby RMI, select either VOR or ADF. And then speed brake lever down detent. And verify that the speed brake arm light is extinguished, speed brake do not arm light, and the speed brake extended lights are all extinguished. Should be located in this area. And then verify the reversers. Thrust are down. Forward thrust is closed. Flap lever is set to agree with the flap position. And then parking brake, verify it's set. Verify the brake warning light is illuminated. Verify the engine start levers are in the cutoff position. And verify the stabilizer trim cutout switches are normal. And then the radio tuning panel as required. This will be already set by the FO to have COM1 ground frequency active, and then tower standby, and COM2 company frequency active and ATIS standby, or as required depending on which airport you are in. Audio control panel as required. And then adjust the seat, the rudder pedals, seat belt and shoulder harness. And that's it. And then call for the pre-flight checklist. That concludes the Captain pre-flight checklist. I hope that this video was helpful to you. And again, this is a training video only. The FCOM, FOM, QRH, FCTM are the main sources for our procedures, which I encourage you to read carefully. So in the next video, video 6, we'll be covering the before start procedure. Thank you very much, and wish you a good day.